Those are the only two social people ever. The girl in the blue dress, and I'm not sure if you saw her, and the girl that said hi back to me. They're really social and nice. This must be their first time down here in the great and very anti-social city of Chicago. Or yeah. Like I saw this engine earlier. It would be very funny if I did. I'll probably check back in my videos for it. I really hope they can buy the tickets on the train. I don't want those girls getting laid off. Because they're really nice people. But I'm not sure if you can buy the tickets on the train. I'm thinking you can. I wish I knew how this worked. But my brain being me, it's like, Like, I've been on a train ride once, which went down from Arlington Heights all the way down to Union Station. And I think you could buy the tickets on the train. I know there's a metro thing around here. You see how that building is? It's like on the side, like behind there. I think like the building's going like a circle, kind of like a U shape, kind of like a rainbow. Yeah. But those two girls, they were nice people. And they're like, "You're young." Like, they think I look young. Like for my age, people think I look young. Probably because I'm nice and handsome. I'm joking. Not everyone's gonna think that, but I don't really care. Because self-confidence is key. If you love how yourself looks, everyone's gonna love how you look. That's how the world, well, not really world, but that's how it works. You love yourself, people are gonna love you. But always remember, life is not always fair, so be expected for crazy tights and turns to come, my fellow viewers, the great YouTube community. People down here in Chicago, when I'm down here, like, they aren't really social. I'm probably gonna be like rail fanning down here like all week, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So yeah. Wait, am I still recording? Yeah, I'm still recording. Wow. But remember, life is not always gonna take you on the best routes and paths. There's always going to be a lot of different types and turns. Myself some water, because dang, I get thirsty. I should do a live stream here. Like, I think I can do that since I have my channel.